Destiny, the bathtub. What do I do? I'll bring it closer to you. Show everybody what you do in the bathtub, Destiny. I bite it. Ariel, quiet. Destiny's gonna go in the bath. I'm making a video. We need a new Destiny video. The diva takes a bath. The diva takes a bath. Hi, forward. There we go. The diva takes a bath. Okay, diva, go in. I'm gonna drink. Bean used to love the bath. She was BR before Rocky. BR. We're not going to put you in there. That's up to you to go in. Oh, she's drinking. Hey, what a doony. What a goony bird. I'm going to give it to her every day until she realizes it's for bathing. Drink, drink. Try to spill that water dish, Destiny. And as you can see, she's been spilling her water dish every day, 3 times a day. Goofy bird. How much water does one bird need to drink? I need to take a bath soon. Bless you, Destiny. She's never taken a bath. Let's see if she's going to realize this is like the 4th or 5th time I've given it to her. Nope. Well, so much for that. Nope, there she might go again. Hi, sunshine. That's my finger. No, no, no. Like, what are you supposed to do in there, Destiny? Just sit, wash my face, bite the side, wash my face again, bite the side. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is she actually going to get wet? She's getting a little ecstatic. What are you doing, Des? Why don't you go away? She's going to get wet. Oh, yeah, she's getting a little crazy. Okay, Destiny, I only got 4 minutes left on this video, so hurry up. Turn that light off. The light's causing a glare. Oh! Boozy, boozy, boo! You went into the body! That lasted all of 5 seconds. I like that. I feel good. Scratch, 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 scratch. Bathing is healthy for budgies. Yeah, she's jappy ones. I mean, diva ones. You're a diva, Destiny. Diva Des. Destiny's a diva. Now you got exactly 3 more minutes, Destiny, to soak yourself. Go in. Whoa. What is the matter, Destiny? What's up, Des? I want out! Aww, Mama's girl wants out. You can get through there if you're wise and small enough. Don't argue, she will. Don't be afraid. You're small. You. Diva. Destiny's a diva. You're a diva. Speak, Destiny, or forever hold your peace. Want to do some necking? From a back to a neck. You want to take it out and soak the water or empty the water? Destiny diva. What a doofy dirt. Oh, I'm in that video. Gross. Spilling out the water. There you go. Destiny's a diva. Diva, 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 Destiny. She wants to go on your hand. Just your hand. I'm not videotaping you. You'll ruin the Destiny, yeah. Destiny. Diva booing me. I am a diva. I am a diva. Kiss me. Put her in.